All right, I think we're live. We are. Fabulous. All right, well, good afternoon, good evening to those of you joining us from Asia Pacific, and a very good morning to those of you joining from Middle East, Africa, and Europe. And shall I say good night to those who've actually dialed in all the way from North America? Well, perhaps a very good early morning to you. Welcome, everybody, to the Women Empowerment Forum Global 2020, an initiative by KitKat Events and Marketing. KitKat Events and Marketing have been in the forefront of empowering women through their series of events, forums, conferences, and community, focusing on creating a safe space for like minded women to come together, engage in, and discuss pressing issues related to us women. They believe in sharing responsibility and making a difference, turning challenges into inspiration, and ultimately providing much needed support to make life happen on our terms. My name is Neera Gupta, and it's my pleasure and honor to host this event, which features more than 30 world renowned international speakers and panelists over a period of the next 3 days. Each topic has been well curated and researched, providing attendees a thought provoking and interactive platform to exchange views and reflect upon overcoming challenges faced by women to achieve their personal best. Of course, none of this would be possible without the support of our sponsors and partners. And I'd like to take this opportunity to thank our presenting sponsors, Mrs. Purvi Shroff and the late Mr. Rusi Shroff from Hong Kong, co-sponsors Global Financial Consultants from Singapore, powered by SME Quest, Asia's upcoming SME community and blog site, supporting cause Aspire for Her, employment partner Women in Technology WIT, partners eGrowth and Vera Asia. Welcome everybody to day one of the event. Why fit in when you can stand out? Be the change and discover the new you. Today's keynote topics are Meet the World Head On with Janine Manning, Understanding the Power of Acceptance to Shift Your Perspective with Sonia Samtani, Discover Your Own Path with Kelly Kuhn, Am I Good Enough? Growing Obsession to Alter Self to Fit In with Joe Farrell. This will be followed by a panel discussion on becoming a game-changing leader and thriving through turbulent times, moderated by none other than Teresa Sui, and our panelists are Elaine Zhao, Srijata Bhatnagar, Elaine Hannon, and Deb Madigan. At the end of the day, we also have a networking session which will give us all an opportunity to meet our speakers, our panelists, guest speakers, as well as other attendees in an interactive setting. So of course, we do advise that everybody who's joining for that, have your videos on and interact with everybody who's going to be there too. Just a couple of housekeeping rules before we start our first session for today. Please use the Q&A button that you would see at the bottom to ask your questions. You can use the chat window for everything else, like saying hello to the fellow attendees and of course telling us how well we're doing. We hope you're going to enjoy this session today, as it has taken us a lot of time, effort, and heart in putting this together. And definitely please participate actively. All right. And I'm so glad we're on time. So let's get started.